keep this report wagon moving along here. Let's move on to Spain. We need to remind ourselves that Spain only tracks COVID-19 data Monday to Friday. But again, let's start off by taking a look at Spain's COVID-19 vaccine rollout report. As far as I know, this may only count the original vaccine and not boosters. Okay. So anyway, Spain, before we get started, one favor to ask you folks today, click on that share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter today, okay? So let's take a look at your vaccine news. This will be the total number of doses of vaccine administered, which is 92.6 million doses. This would be the people who have received the first shot vaccination, which is 41 million. And as far as full vaccinations, 39 million people fully vaccinated. And currently, Spain is right around 87.8% single shot vaccination rate, first shot vaccination rate. And 83.6% full vaccination rate, okay? So let's go here and take a look at the daily COVID-19 analysis for Spain. I'll just mention that these numbers are for the previous 365 days. For the previous 365 days, Spain has had 82.8 million cases, 26,950 deaths. If you look at the deaths, unfortunately, this is not good news. You can see that already 3.5 months in, your COVID-19 case for 2022 is below and right by the total for 2021. And also, even 2022 deaths have already passed 2021 total deaths. But here's the good news. That is that as of March the 5th, Spain was averaging 10,844 cases per day. And as of March the 5th, they were averaging 80.4 deaths per day. What about the weekly cases? Well, you can see overall there's a declining pattern in weekly cases in Spain, as well as an overall declining pattern in COVID-19 deaths for Spain. Monthly cases, you can see that March was lower than January and February. It's even lower than December's also. Deaths, well, the good news is, I guess, is that, March's deaths were lower than the previous 2 months for Spain, okay? So that concludes the report for Spain for today. And again, before I let you go, Spain, that one favor, ask again, if you're watching on YouTube, click on that share button, share the video on your favorite social media accounts today, okay?